Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, and this is another quick tip. Summer is finally here, which means hot sunny days, but it also means your vehicle is going to get pretty hot, especially if it's sitting in the sun. Luckily, Honda models have a feature that helps you cool off the car before you hop in. So let's show you how to roll down all the windows using the key remote. It's a pretty simple process. Click the unlock button, then click it again and hold it down. The windows and sunroof, if equipped, will start opening. Hold the button down until you've reached the desired amount. So if you just want it open a crack, hold it for a short while. If the windows or roof stop and you want them open more, just repeat the process. If you want to roll the windows up, it can't be done on the remote. You either need to get in the vehicle and do it like you normally would, or you can do it with a physical key. You can take the key out of the remote by sliding this tab and then pulling on the silver part. Then go up to the door and lock it by turning the key to the left, then turn it again and hold. The windows should all roll back up. You can also open them the same way by turning it to the right. Turn once to unlock, and then again, and then hold it down to roll down. Just like on the remote, you can roll down or up to the desired position, and if you want to adjust, just repeat the process. And this feature isn't just on newer Hondas either. It's been available on certain models since the early 2000s, and maybe even earlier. Check your owner's manual to see if yours can do it. And there you go. Your summer drive just got a little more comfortable. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other quick tips.